Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today I'm going to be winterizing this little toy hauler. It's probably the smallest toy hauler I've ever seen. And I'm gonna go guess 26 foot maybe. Don't worry about this. I just had a skin cancer removed the other day. No big deal. It's not one of the bad ones. It was one of the good ones. So hey, we're not gonna fool around today. We're gonna just jump right straight into this one. So y'all hang on. It's gonna be a quick bumpy ride. Just in a quick walk around. There's a water heater. There's an outside shower. We do have low point drains. I believe the water pump's going to be in the kitchen. So let's start by getting this water heater drained. Now this one needs an anode, a new anode rod. Water heater's draining. Let's go inside. Turn the water pump on. Listen for noise. I believe it's right back in there. Water pump. Bypass water heater. Winterizing hose. Winterizing valve. Turn that. Open kitchen faucet. Gonna hand pump antifreeze so we can get the city field connection from the city field to the water pump. That's why we opened the kitchen faucet, so we could get some antifreeze through there. Water pump's right there, so it don't take much. We're going to go ahead and do the black tank flush also. Winterize it. I'm going to open the low point drains. Then I'm going to close the low point drains. Put winterizing hose in antifreeze. Turn the pump on. Cut the kitchen faucet off. Start running antifreeze. Change the antifreeze jug because it's empty. Now I'm just gonna go around and run a little more antifreeze through each and every one of these faucets. Just gonna take the leftover antifreeze, pour it down the traps of the 2 sinks and the shower, and we'll go back outside. Open the low point drains. Close the low point drains. Well, there you have it, folks. There's a quick down and dirty winterizing of your travel trailer, RV, motorhome. It don't matter. They're kind of all the same. The only thing I would like to do, I would like to open the gray and black valves, but I'm not going to, because we're in a storage facility and I'm not going to do that. So whatever little bit of water, I checked the tanks. They said they were empty. We put a little bit of water and a lot of antifreeze in there, so it'll be all right. So that's going to be it for this one. I'm going to go up the road and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.